Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. I got this cool cord from a company. They sent me a Cat8 Ethernet cord. It has a gold-plated tip on it. This company was super quick. If you need something fast and reliable, get this Cat8 cord from the company. I'll put all the link down below and all the information to the company. This company was nice enough to send me this product. It's weatherproof, gold-plated, and heavy-duty shielded. You check out their website, you can get it for a decent price. They also carry other accessories and products. Prices are affordable and the shipping did not take long at all. They also have a Facebook page. You can check them out, and if you have any questions, you can directly message them. And yeah, they're very reliable. If you need something fast and good quality at a good price, check them out. Peace. I'd like to thank this company for sending me this Ethernet cord to review on my channel. And don't forget to check other stuff that they have on their website. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.